Hi, in daily tasks, color making is a popular method for quickly highlighting crucial data. But how do we count or sum cell data based on specific color? With some trick and indirect methods, we can still achieve this. For example, we have this data and need to count and sum values based on the specific color. Let's do it. First, right click on sheet name and select view code. Then go to insert and select module. Then I have this code. You can get it from video description. Copy this code, then paste it here, module 1. Then save it. Yes. Now close it. Now we use this method. Type method name equal count. This is our method name. CountSumByColor. Tab. Select cell. In first argument, we select the reference cell with the specific background color data I need. I select it, then comma. In second argument, we select range of data where we want to count or some number of cells. I have this data, I select it, then comma. Now, in third argument, I use true or false. When I need to count cell with matching background color, I select false. When I use some cell with matching color, I use true. Now I need count because it is a count column. So I use false. Then bracket close, enter. Now copy this function. Now copy and paste here, and I need to sum. So I change it false to true. Now enter and copy. Now that's it.